Welcome once again to Math Help. Today we'll be talking about the property 6 of the circle theorem. But before that, kindly like and subscribe. Like, subscribe, and share to all your friends. Now let's move on straight to today's lesson. So in this property, it states that chords, angles subtended by equal chords are always equal. So AB is a chord equal to QR, and they all subtend an angle to the center. So therefore, Q angle AOB is equal to angle QOR. Angle QOR and AOB are equal. Therefore, A is equal to B. So now let's move on to an example of this property. This question is a WASI question, November 2013, question number 24. Now, in this question, we have been given X, O, Z, Y. And we know that X, O, and YZ, X, O, and YZ are parallel lines. That means these two chords are equal. Mind you, this is a chord, this is a chord, and these chords are equal. We've learned from the rule that equal chords, angles formed by equal chords are always equal. So this chord forms an angle here. So that is the angle this chord forms. So first you have to know this chord forms an angle here. Then this chord also forms an angle here. In the question we are asked to find angle X, Y, O. X, Y, O, this angle. And we know that the chord here subtends an angle here, and the chord here subtends an angle here. And the rule states that angles subtended by equal chords are always equal. So this chord, the angle here, let's say A. This chord, the angle here is what? B. Therefore, A should be equal to B. Now, in the question, we have been given that YT is a tangent. And we know that OY is also a perpendicular line. So it makes an angle of 90 degrees. Therefore, angle OYT equals 90 degrees. If angle YZYT is 20, then the rest of the angle here would be equal to, that is angle OYZ is equal to 90 minus 20 degrees, which is equal to 70 degrees. So the angle here is 70 degrees. Okay. So if here is 70, we can also apply some properties of a circle here. We are looking for angle XYO, angle XYO. Therefore, we have to find for the angle this chord subtends here, that is the B. This is a radius. This is also a radius. Why? Because this chord or this line is coming from the center. And every line that moves from the center to any part of the circumference of the circle is radius. Please kindly go and revise the lessons we have on radius sectors in the videos in this session to get a firm grip of the basics of the circle geometry. So this is a radius, this is a radius. Therefore, this and this are equal. If two lines in a circle, example, let's do something here. If this and this are equal, this is called an isosceles triangle. And the angle here and the angle here are always equal. A is equal to A. These angles are equal. Therefore, if here is 70, then here is also what? 70 degrees. Now we are left to find for B. B is angle YOZ. We know that 70 plus 70 is what? 140. So this forms a triangle. So we can subtract 180 from this and this. So B is equal to 180 minus angle OYZ plus OZY. which is 180 minus 70 plus 70 degrees. So B equals 180 minus 140. B is 40 degrees. So the angle here is 40 degrees. And we have learned that from property 5 that angles subtended by equal chords are always equal. Therefore, in the question, angle O or angle XYO is equal to angle YOZ. So angle XYO is equal to 40 degrees. So here is also 40 degrees because here and here are equal angles because of the chords here. Thank you for joining us on Math Help. Please kindly subscribe and like and share. Hit the subscribe button and share the videos. Thanks for joining us. Bye.